welcome to my workshop. Well, today's been a very eventful day today. And I must say, probably hasn't been my best day. I decided to do a deep 2.5D V-bit carving. And, well, the first one I did, I ran the machine too fast and too deep and lost a lot of the clarity. You can see it sort of looks alright from a distance, but it's a bit messy and it's a bit raggedy and ripped. So I decided to do it again, and the video that you're going to see is a mixture of machining that one and this one, and I'll explain why in a second or two. So this one is about 99% finished. You'll notice that the lettering is missing here, and I've also cut this about 0.5 millimeter less deep then. So what's that, about 40 thou I think, not as deep, which the clarity is a lot better, and I think you can see that it's a better representation of a Harley Davidson Twin V engine. Well, like I say, this is like 98 or so, 99% complete. As I was getting to the end of this, as you can see, my computer is here. Ooh, I'm out of the screen. The computer is here with the back stripped off it because the hard drive decided to burn itself out. So there we go. More about that later. So, very sad situation here. There is something missing, and this is the culprit. So yes, I didn't manage to finish that piece of work because the hard drive burned out. Anyway, I sufficiently finished it enough, I think, to give you the gist of what I was doing. So the price of this is probably somewhere in the region of about $500 or $600, and I can pick a new 500 gig computer up for that, so it's new computer time. Although that computer has served me very well. I've had it about 6 years, and I've done a lot of work with it, so I'm, you know, just one of those things, they do wear out. But I hope you've enjoyed today's effort from me. It's been quite an eventful one for me. So if you've liked what I've done today, please subscribe to my channel or press like, or you could, if you wanted to, press the little red box up in that top corner, and that will take you to my YouTube channel, where you will find quite a large selection of videos now, ranging from CNC routers right through to wood turning lathes, and well, have a look, see what you think. So from me now, bye for now.